Hi, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today, we're going to be making some cookie bars.
Cookie bars.
Yep. So we've already got some ingredients out. What do we have already, Opal? We've got this. What's this?
Egg.
We got this. What's this?
Bubble.
We got this. What's that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, yeah. We got this.
Vanilla.
Do you know what that is? Doubt it. Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Then we have these. What's this?
Popsicle.
Whoa, yeah.
A popsicle.
I'm impressed. And what's the bottom one? It's the same as this.
Sugar.
Sugar. We've got all those ingredients out already. You ready to bake? Let's do it.
He's scared.
All right, here we go. We're going to pour the butter in. And we're doing half of what the recipe calls for. So that made me have to do some math that I'm not used to.
Egg.
You can hear Violet in the background. He's a little disgruntled.
Egg. Cook egg.
We'll crack the egg after we put in the sugar. So I had to do some math. I did 1 1/4 cup minus or divided came to, I believe, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And then trying to do the math on 3/4 cup of brown sugar. That's like 1/4 and a half of 1/4, an 1/8, I guess. So that was tricky. We'll see. We have a special guest with us again, Miss Krabby herself. This is Violet again. She's bigger now. All right, you stir, 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 stir. You gotta do it all by yourself because Mommy's holding Violet, okay? Look at this professional. What a champ. What a fabulous job you're doing. Wow, wow, wow. Mommy help?
No.
Do you want help or no?
Hello.
Or no? Okay. Alright, here's where it gets a little dicey because I'm going to try to pour vanilla with one hand, essentially.
Vanilla.
Oh, yep, there goes the cap. Should I turn it so y'all can see? Oh. Hi, Opal. Thanks for getting the cap. What a big helper you are. Don't lick it. Now we just mixed in the egg. And Opal's stirring. And it's a yellow egg, she said. Right? Wow, such concentration. We got the flour up in here. I had to put Violet down in order to get the flour. She's not thrilled. Not thrilled about it. We're using a blend of 2 different kinds of gluten-free flours because we're a gluten-free family. Opal decided she'd rather play with the measuring cups. So I'm going to try to one hand stir this together. All alone.